Take a step into the future with hybrid systems in renewable energy. Hybrid systems in renewable energy are energy production systems that utilize different renewable energy sources together. With a hybrid energy system, you can meet your electricity needs by utilizing renewable energy sources throughout the year. Hybrid applications are applied particularly in systems where there is a need for uninterrupted energy supply throughout the year, such as those where solar or wind energy systems need to be supported. Examples of hybrid systems in renewable energy. Solar and wind energy. Continuous energy production is ensured by using wind turbines and solar panels together. Hydroelectric and solar energy. Energy is produced by using water turbines in hydroelectric power plants and solar panels together. Biomass and solar energy. Energy is produced by using biomass energy and solar panels together. Advantages of hybrid systems in renewable energy. Continuous energy production. Higher efficiency. Lower costs. Less harmful effects on the environment. Hybrid systems are increasingly preferred because they provide higher efficiency and lower costs in energy production by utilizing different energy sources together. Mapperx software for lower costs and higher efficiency in hybrid systems. Mapperx, which is used in the operation and maintenance activities of hybrid systems as well as solar power plants, is a completely autonomous artificial intelligence software that will contribute to sustainable energy production. The Mapperx software allows renewable energy sources to have lower maintenance and operation costs, and enables power plants to have longer lifetimes and produce more energy. This contributes to a sustainable energy production process both environmentally and economically. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.